Hey guys, sorry for the late. Yeah, today we are going to already we have completed about groups, right? Today we are going to discuss about file handling and also exception handling, so that by this we can complete our Python classes. So yeah, just give me a minute. I'll share my screen. Mm, Yeah. Mm, Abstraction. Yeah, we have completed 4 OOPS concepts, right? Now we are going to discuss about file handling and exception handling. Let's go with exception handling now, and after that we can move to file handling. Yeah, exception handling is nothing but how to handle errors. Think you can hear me? Yeah, exception handling is nothing but just to handle errors. For example, I have 10 by 0, so I'll print x. I got an error like uh, division by 0, some 0 division error. This is my name of the error. So what I'll do is I'll keep this code in my try block. Exception handling is done with try and except block. Okay, now I have kept in try block. Again, I am getting an error called syntax error, expected uh, except or finally block. That means if you use try block, for sure you have to use except block, then only it will execute. If not, you will get syntax errors like this. So I'll take as we know, we'll get 0 division error. So I've taken 0 division error, print you can't divide by 0. You directly you will get this without any errors in the terminal. You will get this exception. Okay, this is how you can handle an errors. For example, you don't know. Okay, I'll discuss it later. Okay, for example, if I use n here, okay, I've used n here and I'm handling only 0 division errors. Okay, you will get name error. Okay, we have different types of errors, hundreds of errors. So you can't remember all those errors, but no problem. You can give whatever the errors you know first, and after that I'll show you how to handle all the errors. Okay. Now print uh, to use str, use something like this. Whatever the thing you want, you can use. Okay. Yeah. I am getting don't use it. As we know the name of the error. For example, if you uh, if I don't know the other error, for example, mm, I'll show you another error line, except I don't know this name error. Okay, I don't know what the error is going to happen, so I'll take exception as e and print e. I'll remove this also. Okay, now I am handling the error that I don't know what the error is going to come. Okay, now I'll execute this. I'm getting name n is not defined. Okay, name n is not defined. This is nothing but name error only. Okay, if I give 0, the division by 0. So these are all inbuilt messages that are displaying in our terminal. Okay, just generally in real time we use this one only. If you know what the error is going to arise, now you can give the error name and you can execute that. Okay, for example, if I give except name error, print n is only else where is not defined, division by 0, because it accept it skipped this block and came here. If I use in here itself, then I'll get where is not defined. Okay, it will catch here itself. It will not come here. Just like if statements. Okay, now the other one is else. You can also use else in this try and except. Else will execute only when the try block is not triggered with any error. Yeah, try block triggered with some name error. So I got this one. If I give 5, it will come to else block and I got X value. And the last one is final. Finally, block will execute irrespective of the errors. Whatever the error it is, it will execute. Okay, for example, I'll give some n here. Sorry, 0. Okay, already I have name error now, so I'll give 0 and there is no division error, so I'll get an error and code ended. Finally, block will execute irrespective of the error. Whatever it happens, it will not consider all the things, but it will execute by itself. Okay, this is finally block, and this is about exception handling. And now I'll go with file handling. Okay. Observe the code. Yeah. Now I'll go with file handling. File handling is nothing but simply we can say that manipulating the data. Okay, by using CSV, HTML, CSV, Excel, and the text files, all of these. Okay, now let's deal with CSV files now. Mm. Yeah. Simple. I'll go with file handling now. First of all, to open a file, you should have some file. Okay. I want to read that file. So I'll take file equal to open test dot. Okay, you have file equal to. If you observe here, you can see file name, mode, buffering, encoding errors, and all new line, close FD, all of these. Okay, so generally we use this file mode, encoding, and new line. Okay, these are all the general terms we use, but we are in basic stage now, so we use only file and mode. Mode is nothing but whether it is in reading mode, writing mode, like that. Okay, now file, open. For example, I'll take some text file like test.txt. You should keep in quotes, okay? txt. This format is very important. Okay, if it is CSV, Excel, uh, text means txt. You have to maintain the format. Okay, R is nothing but reading mode. You can use single or double quotes, whatever you do. Now I'll print this file. Let's see what will happen. Just give me a minute. Hello. Yeah, sorry guys, I got a call. Sorry. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I think you can able to see my screen. Okay. Okay. Sorry for the disturbance. Yeah. Here I got an error called test.txt because I don't have text dot test.txt, but even though I'm trying to read it, so you will trigger with an error. So what I'll do is I'll create a new file with the same name. Okay. Now I'll run it. I got something here. I got something. Okay. I got something. Okay. Now I'll add something. Yeah. Now, yeah. This is how you will open a file. Okay. This is how you will open a file. Okay. Now, uh, so that my file is existing. Okay. And my mode is read and the name of the file is like that. Okay. So it is nothing but my file is existing. So in this file, you will have different types of modes. File dot. You have read, write, close, read lines, tell, see, flush, all of these. Okay. So I'll try to read the file. Now I'll store it in some variable and I'll print this res. Let's see the output. After doing this, you have to close the file. That's it. Okay. If you try to open file like this, for sure you have to close the file. Okay. You should not uh, you should not remain like this. Okay. You have to close it for sure. And when you want to write something into your file, just change the mode. And if you are giving write mode, I'll try to execute this. I'm getting some error because I have used write mode, but here I'm trying to read. So you have to change it to write. And in this, I'll write Fratello tech. Why 17 means the number of letters. Okay, number of letters. So I'll go to my text and I'll check. I'm getting FratelloInnoTech. So here, if you observe clearly, before I have hi in my text file, after writing something, it has been changed to FratelloInnoTech, because whatever the thing I am writing here, when I use write mode, it will overwrite the file. Okay. Will overwrite the file and it will give only the things, whatever the things you are writing present in this present file, that will only reflect in your uh, text files. Okay. Now I'll try to append Fratello. Okay. Something added, but side by side. It should not be like this, right? So what I'll do is I'll add in. So in this thing. Okay, I have written something. Okay, I have appended. After appending, you are getting like this, right? So, uh, FratelloInnoTech. What the append will do is append will add along with the existing data. Okay, append will add along with the existing data. If you want to write any image files, just you will use, for example, you have some image.png. It will not work like this because you will have read binary and write binary, and read, that's it. Okay, you have to close. Okay, now if you use like this, the close should you should close it manually. Okay, if not, then yep. What which statement will do is it will close the file automatically without closing it manually. Okay, test.text file.read. I'll print this res. File.read. Okay, sorry, here I have used f, right? So you have to mention this f here. I got the data. Okay, I got the data. Yeah, this is how you can able to read, write, and modify the file. In the same way you can do CSV, but Excel you will have some different, and also you have loads, terms, and all. Okay, yeah, that's all about today's class. I think whole Python portion have been completed by today. If you have any doubt, just ping me. I will help you. If you mention any topics that are missing, just ping me. I'll try to cover them. Okay, that's all about today's class. Yeah.